Have you ever watched a superhero movie where they cut off an arm and it grows back? Well, nature actually does this with axolotls. Today, we are going to uncover exactly how these salamanders can rebuild entire limbs from scratch. Unlike humans, who have a learned immune system that rejects foreign tissue, axolotls lack this defense. This means their bodies do not distinguish between themselves and new growth, allowing them to accept transplants and regenerate structures without rejection. The precision of this process is mind-blowing. If you cut off a limb, the animal knows exactly where to start and stop. They can regenerate a complete arm from the shoulder down rather than just regrowing a smaller part like a hand. This ability isn't limited to just limbs. Scientists have discovered that they can also regrow the front portion of their brain, known as the telencephalon, proving their regenerative power extends deep into complex nervous systems. Researchers describe this as a whole laundry list of structures they can rebuild. From spinal cords to organs, these creatures are essentially biological blueprints for perfect tissue repair that we humans desperately want to unlock. The implications for human medicine are massive. By unraveling the secrets behind how axolotls signal their cells to rebuild, we might one day be able to teach human cells to do the same thing, revolutionizing transplant surgery. So, while humans can only heal scars, these salamanders prove that losing a limb is not the end. They hold the key to regrowing everything, offering hope for future medical breakthroughs that could change lives forever. Nature is full of secrets we are only just beginning to understand. What other animal ability do you think could help humans? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into science.